Hello, I am Nagmani, Technical Assistant from NIT Rourkela, Industrial Design Department. Today we will discuss about the Revan's Engineering Lab. Subject code is lab code is ID 4704. Today is our second lab. In this lab we will discuss about the to capture digitized point cloud data of given three-dimensional object using touch probe of Faro Fusion R. In this lab we will discuss how to measure the dimension of the given three-dimensional objects. This is our sample plate. Suppose this is our sample plate. See in this sample plate you can see the different shapes. First one is this. First see this one. See this one. In this object we can see two shapes. First one is cylinder from here to here. This is cylinder, okay, and from here to tip point. See, this is cone shape. So in this object only you can measure two dimensions, two shapes. You can see first one is cylinder and second one is cone. Same, this is the same object. Next one is our this. See this one. This is a sphere. This is a sphere. Okay. Next, you can see that this one is rectangular oval. Next, you can see here dimension of the circle. This is circular. Dia 140. The PCD of the circle is diameter 140 mm. Okay, see, first circle, second circle, third circle, 4, 5, 6, 7 number of circles. This is also a pocket. This is also a pocket. See, this is the rectangular slot. See this one. This is a reverse cone, rectangular pocket. So in this sample plate you can see different type of shapes. In this lab we will discuss about the how to measure the dimensions of the given object. See, let's start the machine. First of all, we will put power on the machine. After switching on the machine, switch on the machine, you can see this is when the machine, full machine. It means in previous lab we have discussed about the symbol of this reds. It means machine is our locking condition. First of all, we will unlock the machine. It means we will ready the machine to work. Okay. Left hand grip this one. 360 rotate this one. This arm is on 360. This one 360. Next, base should be moved totally 360 degree. Now you can see here machine is ready for work. Now we will start the software for measuring the sample plates by the help of touch probe. Here we are using two type of measurement system. First one is laser arm, second one is touch probe. In this lab we will discuss and we will focus on the touch probe method. For this touch probe measurement system, we will use the software CAM to measure 10.1. Let's open the software. See, software is opened. Okay. Here we can see different type of sections: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth. This one is seventh. Here there are 7 sections. We will first of all we will discuss in software different windows, different type of windows. See this one. First one is our first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. First one is our मेन विंडो. दिस इज कॉल्ड मेन विंडो. यहाँ पे हम जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट का डायमेंशन लेंगे वी कैन सी है. सेकेंड वन इज आवर रिबन वार. दिस इज कॉल्ड रिबन वार. दिस वन इज रिबन वार. थर्ड वन इज आवर नेविगेशन विंडो. नेविगेशन विंडो यहाँ पे जो भी ऑब्जेक्ट का हम लोग मेजरमेंट करेंगे, सर्कल, सर्कल, पॉइंट, लाइन, कोन, different type of any shapes. Here we can see all the shapes. Fourth number is our message reading panel. This is called message reading panel, or we can also say feature information panel. In this panel we can see the all parameters of the object. Suppose we are measuring a circle, means here we can see the diameter of the circle, distance from x axis, distance from y axis, distance from z axis. All information here we can see in message reading panel or feature information panel. Next one is our fifth one. Fifth one is our feature creator panel. Feature creator panel, it means in this panel we can create a predefined shapes like circle, sphere, cylinder, torus, tube, cone, round slot, rectangular slot, ellipse, and any other simple shapes. We can directly create it. This is called feature creator panel. Sixth number is our quick access toolbar. In this toolbar we can say we can save the file, we can create a new file, we can save as, view, devices, automation, measure, key in. This is called quick access toolbar. Seventh number is our quick access toolbar. Sixth and seventh number is same. Quick access toolbar. Sixth number is also quick access toolbar, and seventh one is a shortcut key. Shortcut key is this one is also quick launch toolbar. This is quick access toolbar and this is quick launch toolbar. Seventh number is this. See the difference. See, this is quick access toolbar. This one quick access toolbar, and this is quick launch toolbar. If we can, in this window we can directly measure the object, again measure, repeat the cycle. See this one, this is quick launch toolbar. Okay, let's start the process of measuring the given object. This is also called as CMM machine, coordinate measuring machine. Means by the help of this machine and this process, in this lab we will see the distance. Suppose we want to distance from center to center distance of these two holes. This one. Suppose we want to distance to distance this one. We can say like this is our base. Suppose this is our one plane or one reference plane, reference point. Okay, from reference point we can measure all the sections or all the points. So let's start. In the software, first of all, we will in the quick access toolbar we will select measure. We are measuring the diameter of the circle. First of all, measure of the circle. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग को डिफाइन क्या करना होता है, प्लेन. ऑब्जेक्ट को किस प्लेन में रखे हैं और किस प्लेन ऑब्जेक्ट को किस प्लेन में रखे हैं. सबसे पहले वी विल डिसाइड द प्लेन ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट और प्लेन ऑफ द गिवन प्रोडक्ट. First of all, so for defining the plane we should minimum required 3 points. For defining a plane we should take minimum 3 points, to define a plane. For we can say for if we are measuring a line, then minimum point required is 2. Minimum point required. Suppose we are measuring a sphere, then minimum point required is 4. We are measuring a cylinder, minimum point required is 6. For minimum if we are measuring a cone shape, then minimum point required is 6. And for round slot, suppose we are measuring a round slot, then minimum point required is 8. If we are using a rectangular slot, a square, a rectangle, a square or rectangle slots, minimum point required is 4. Minimum point required, this is all minimum point required. If we want to optimal result, best result, to get the best result, by the help of probe, we will minimum point required for plane is 7. For getting an optimal result of creating a line is 5. For getting the optimal result of measuring a circle, minimum point required is 7. For if we are using a cone and we want to optimal result, accurate result, then minimum point required is 30. For measuring a cylinder, if we are measuring a cylinder and we want to get the optimal result, best result, then minimum point required is 30. Like that, for measuring a sphere, to get the optimal result, minimum point required is 9. ये जो जितने भी पॉइंट्स है ये हमें वी शुड रिमेंबर और राइट डाउन. Let us start. First of all, we want to measure this hole's dimension. Okay. Then first of all, we will decide the plane of the circles. This is our plane for measuring the circles. For measuring the whole object, this one will be our plane. Okay. For measuring this circle, our plane should be this one. For measuring the circles, our plane should be this one. If we want to measure the dimension of this circle, then our plane should be this one. If we want to measure this circle, then our plane should be this one. Okay, like that. If we want to measure this whole dimension, then our plane is this one. See, जैसे ही ऑब्जेक्ट का चेंज हो रहा है, प्लेन भी चेंज हो रहा है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी शुड डिफाइन द प्लेन ऑफ द गिवन ऑब्जेक्ट. Okay. For making the this pocket, plane should be this one. This one will be our plane. Okay. तो वो हम प्रैक्टिकल में देखते हैं कैसे किस तरीके से करते हैं. First of all, we will select the major window. Major. For measuring the circle, first of all we should create a plane. In which plane we are working? Select plane. Plane. See, this is plane. For using the plane, minimum point required is 3, and for optimal results, minimum point required is 7. We will take this one. Touch and release. Press 1 and release this button. Hold this one. 2. First of all, we will take a plane. For optimal result we should take 7 points, minimum 7 points for creating a plane. First, press and release. Second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh. Okay, and after taking 7 points, press once red button. Okay. If you want to again take the measure the plane, then again continue repeat the same process by the pressing of green button. We have now we have created a plane. Now we have created the plane, but in main window it's not showing the plane. Then press the E button. Shortcut button is E. Otherwise, go to view, and in view we can select zoom to area or reset zoom. Shortcut key is E. Press E. Okay. Measure. Now we have created the plane. Okay. Next one is our circle. If you want to circle, press circle. Previously we have discussed for creating a circle, minimum point required is 3. See, first, second, 3. ओके जैसे अगर किसी ऑब्जेक्ट का मुझे पता नहीं हो रहा कि किस ऑब्जेक्ट के लिए कितना पॉइंट क्रिएट करना है, देन इस तरीके से भी कर सकते हैं. डायरेक्टली आप ऑब्जेक्ट को आइडेंटिफाई कर लो कि ये सर्किल है, स्फीयर है, कोन है, क्या है, एंड क्लिक स्टैंडर्ड डाटा, देन ऑटोमेटिकली इट विल शो द minimum point required. Okay, for circle minimum point required is 3. Let's start. First of all, we will measure this circle. Touch the peripheral of the circle and press once the green button. Press once and release. First point. Second point, move the probe and touch the periphery of the circle, inner periphery. Second point. Same that. Third point, anywhere, not required to press at the same place, anywhere. third. Okay, or in the middle of the circle press once the grid button for close the measurement of circle, first circle. We want to again repeat the same process, then we have pressed once. If we want to complete close the program, then press the button twice. First, second, third. I am closing the प्रोब को पूरा बाहर निकाल करके नहीं करना है. प्रोब को इफ वी आर टेकिंग आउट द प्रोब एंड वी विल प्रेस द ग्रीन बटन, रेड बटन, इट मीन्स सो द bigger diameter of the circle. Here we can see the two circles. We have measured currently two circle, first one, second one. In the navigation window, here we can say जैसे जैसे ऑब्जेक्ट और जितने जितने ऑब्जेक्ट हम लोग मेजर करेंगे वो यहाँ पे दिखाएगा. सबसे पहले हम लोगों ने क्या किया, प्लेन 1 को मेज़र किया, उसके बाद क्या किया, सर्किल 1 को मेज़र किया, सर्किल 2 को मेज़र किया, है ना. वो पैनल का मैं काम बता रहा हूँ अभी, देखिए किस तरीके से होता है ना. नेक्स्ट वन इज अवर फीचर लेवल और फीचर इंफॉर्मेशन पैनल. इन दिस पैनल वी कैन, आई हैव ऑलरेडी टोल्ड यू, वी कैन सी द डिफरेंट इंफॉर्मेशन ऑफ द ऑब्जेक्ट, of the measured object. Okay, say I we will click the object circle 1 and we can see the all information of the features. See, center x 279.204 mm. It means एक center x distance from the base of the furrow fusion to measured circle is 279.204 in x-axis. Center by is minus 171.289. Okay, means base of the furrow fusion arc. Base of the furrow fusion arc is, this one is a 0 0 0. This one is 0 0 0. x0 y 0 z0. This one is 0 0 0. In the reference of the base of the machine for fusion, it takes the x positive, y negative, z positive, z negative. Okay, it is center value. Next one is diameter of the circle 20.007 mm. Okay, means here in feature information panel you can see all the information related to features. If we click on plane 1, it will show the feature information of the plane. Flatness is 050 mm. Flatness means कितना वो flat है, कितना पैरेलल, not parallel means flat. Flatness is another thing and parallelism is another thing. Flatness is 0.05 mm. Okay, we will repeat the same process for measuring the all circles. Again go to circle. 2 सर्किल हमने कंप्लीट किया है. अभी बाकी को रिमेनिंग को 1 2 3 4 5 6 बाकी को कंप्लीट करेंगे. 1 2 3 first, second, third. Anywhere you can take the point, anywhere in first, second, third. we have created all 8 circles. Next is our to measure the cylinder. This is the standard features cylinder. In measure select the cylinder. Select cylinder. So, see, for measuring the cylinder, we will 3 base point and 3 upper. This one means it will show the inner base diameter of the cylinder and upper diameter of the cylinder, and it will automatically calculate the height of the cylinder. Now we will create the cone. We will repeat the same process. Select the cone. For creating a cone, we should take minimum 6.3 base and 3 upper. Means base diameter and height diameter. It will automatically calculate the taper length, and it will automatically show the length of the cone. Here you can see the cone and cylinder. I will repeat the same process for measuring the cone and cylinder in the opposite side of the first object. Again we will measure the cone. Select the cone. Select the base points: first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Okay. Means फर्स्ट प्लेन में हम लोग देख सकते हैं कि इन द फर्स्ट प्लेन वी हैव क्रिएटेड द 8 नंबर ऑफ सर्किल्स, 2 नंबर ऑफ सिलेंडर्स एंड 2 नंबर ऑफ कोन्स. Okay. See, plane 1, in plane 1, circle 1, circle 2, circle 3 up to circle 8, like that. Cylinder 1, cylinder 2, cone 1, cone 2. Okay, 8 circle, 8 circle, 2 cylinder, 2 cone. Now we will change the plane. If we want to measure the this one, then we should first of all we will take the plane. This one, for this circle our plane will be this one. Again here we will select the plane. For creating a plane we should take minimum 3 points, or for getting an optimal result we should take minimum 7 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In this plane, we will select the circle. See here, first, second, third. We have checked. Again, we will change the plane for measuring the dimension of this circle. Again, we should create the plane. We will take 7.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We will select the circle, first, second, third. This is our object. This is our sample plate. See, we have changed the plane and we have taken the diameter of the circle. Okay, like that we can change all the dimension of the demo plate. Okay, let's show the sphere. How to measure the sphere? For measuring the sphere, we will select the sphere. For getting optimal result, we should take minimum 9 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. यहाँ पे अभी हमने क्या किया, प्लेन को चेंज नहीं किया है ना. प्लेन हमारा क्या है, प्लेन थर्ड है. थर्ड प्लेन है. दिस इज आवर थर्ड प्लेन. अभी हमने क्या किया, प्लेन को चेंज नहीं किया. दिस इज आवर थर्ड प्लेन एंड दिस इज द सर्किल, दिस इज द स्फीयर. सो इन द सॉफ्टवेयर वी कैन क्लियरली सी द डिफरेंस. Plane number 3, we will select the plane number 3. See, and a sphere is this one. See this one.